Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do sorting on the top of find all method. When I retrieve all the rows from the database, I want to sort them on the top of find all. Let's look at how we can do it. If you look at JPA repository, these are all the functions or methods are available from JPA. We can straight away use these functions or methods. I have created videos for save and few other functions. Let's explore findAll with sorting order today. So basically, to implement sort all on the findAll, first we will be creating a reference for sort. Is it like ascending or descending? And that object will be calling on top of findAll to get the rows in order, ascending or descending. So in this example, we're gonna create few classes. First entity class, repository class, service class, method class. Main method we're gonna create. So if you look at entity, so I'm just creating a product entity. Means product, it will deal with the product table, and database product table has bunch of products. I'm going to sort them. So for that one, I will be creating a repository, my own repository interface, which extends JPA. So we should not use CRUD repository, we should use JPA repository, and we should be using product as entity and long as primary key column type. And if you look at service, so I have implemented my own service which internally accessing prod repository. I annotated with auto void so that Spring will create objects whenever this application is started. I'm not going to create objects for this annotated classes or interfaces. Spring is going to create objects for me. So I'm getting a sort object and I'm passing that sort object to find all in the service. And I will be calling these functions through REST. So REST API I will be calling and I'm getting all my data from browser or any REST client. Let's create the basic application. Sorting example Java Maven 21 war file. We need MySQL data JPA and dev tools for dynamic loading changes. And let's add the database details. I'm running the basic application. Yeah, the application is running. Let's create some packages. Service repository entity and we are going to call a REST call. So we need a REST. So product, mark it as entity. private ID, private name. This should be the primary key. Perfect. See, we have all these rows. ID and name are columns. Okay, let's create a repository. Product repo. Should be interface extends JPA. Okay, perfect. Create a service. Product service. Let's alter the repository. Alter with service. Let's get this object. Import. Auto add. Public list. We are getting list of products. Okay. So what we're gonna do here? String order by name. String order, yes, these two. So here what I will do? Dot equal in case ASC. Then sort in ID. Sort equal to sort dot by order by name, order by name, ascending or descending. So we are deciding if I want to add pull the records from ascending order. So I'm passing ascending. So if this guy is correct, then it's going to execute this. If it's not, it is descending. If it's not ascending, it's going to do the descending. So what we will do? Pass this guy here. Okay, this simple way. So okay, let's create a REST. Product REST. It will be REST controller. Perfect. So what I will do, I should get this object. Let's auto add this guy. Perfect. So public list of products. Get list products. Import this guy. Perfect. What I will do, I need to call this guy. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we are calling this guy. Okay. Return. So I will be calling this guy with product parted. So we have product class. Okay, let's create some getter setters. To stream. Okay, this is the repo. This is the service. Okay, we are using Pushkar. Okay, perfect. We are using Pushkar. Okay, let's go this way. Let's run the application first. The application started. So these are the rows. So these details should be displayed in ascending order. See, bag displayed first, erase displayed second, pen. This is ascending order. So I'm changing ascending to descending here. I'm not using this variable. Okay, let's rerun because it's doing ordering ascending. Perfect. See, it's descending order. Uniform, shows, pencil, reverse order. Because of this descending. If I change to ascending, it's going to display ascending order. And see, if you look at this is the query. Select columns order by descending. This is descending because of this descending. So this is how we can list of rows by ascending or descending order. Thank you.